Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be talking about 8 awesome new inventions you'll want to see. So keep watching till the end to not miss anything. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kimblade Windshield Wipers. How long has it been since wiper blades were actually improved? It seems like cars continue to be improved, but wiper blades stay in the past. Well, no longer with Kimblade. Kimblade is a superior wiper blade that uses rectangular shaped blades compared to the usual triangular shaped blades. Triangular blades press into your windshield. Over time, it wears out, but the Kimblade's square blade design never pushes into your windshield, allowing it to last longer and be more effective. Even though it's important to replace wiper blades frequently, that can be expensive and time-consuming. As traditional wiper blades wear themselves out over time, Kimblades are able to keep the same strong performance over the same amount of time and even longer. It comes at no surprise as the silicone blades are resistant to dust, insects, tar, and the sun's UV rays. When it comes to time to replace the Kimblades, it doesn't need to take into the shop because it's as simple as replacing the blades with a refill pack and can be easily done solo. How awesome is that? A pair of Kimblades goes for $31 on sale right now, and with the windshield cleaner and treatment kit, it's $81. Number 2. Unitree Pump. How small can a home gym really be? Well, the Unitree Pump is 5 inches by 5 inches or 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters and weighs only 1.5 pounds, allowing it to fit almost anywhere. It can be taken almost anywhere with ease. The Unitree Pump may be small, but has many features to offer, allowing you to target chest, back, arms, legs, core, and 90% of muscle groups. Its resistance stays constant at any extension and can be controlled through the app from 4.5 pounds up to 45 pounds. Being so simple and easy to set up anywhere, you will surely be able to get a workout in no matter what the external factors. Unitree also offers many accessories like a rowing machine, exercise bar, and suction cups for even more freedom and creativity into your workout. The Unitree is still in production and scheduled to be shipped in the end of 2022. The early bird special comes with a 1 Unitree pump and many accessories for $159. Number 3. Flora Pocket Size Plant Coach. Having a coach in your corner as you go throughout your day would be very pleasant, but probably not practical. Even though that might not be practical, the Flora Pod, a pocket-sized plant coach, is. The Flora Pod takes the guesswork out of many ways of the usual problems that plant owners have, like not knowing if they're giving their plants enough water and sun or too much. All you have to do is put the Flora Pod into the soil, connect the app, and you have access to an array of features like exactly how much sun, water, and nutrients your plant needs. Have more than one plant? No worries, as the Flora Pod can be easily paired to different plants to give the best information needed for each plant type. An outside garden is also not a problem, as the pod is water resistant, weather, and dirt proof. Flora Pod is still in production and is scheduled to be shipped out in December of 2022. The early sprout deal is the cheapest for $59 and comes with a Flora Pod, badge, stickers, and a 3-month subscription to Flora Plus. Number 4. Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. Multi-tools are great because you can use them for all kinds of different tasks. Today, we have the multi-tool of rotary tools, the Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. This device just screams creativity as you can use it to do so many tasks including carving, polishing, cutting, engraving, trimming pet nails, and many more. The Hoto is wireless and weighs just a little over half a pound or approximately 240 grams. Being so light, it still delivers a max speed of 25,000 RPM, and the 380 reinforced motor is equivalent to the effect of an 8-volt motor. It has 5 different speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM to choose from for the material or project you're working on. You'll get about 50 minutes on a full charge with a 2000 mAh integrated lithium battery. Charging is made simple with a cradle. Just place their Hoto rotary tool into it and let it charge, and you can charge in between applications to help extend battery life. Being able to see what you're doing is essential. That's why the front has a LED ring shadowless fill light, helping reduce shadows created by backlight and the surface of the work clearer. No need to be looking for parts all day as the detachable storage case organizes your accessories cleanly. The Hoto rotary tool is to begin shipping in October 2022. The early bird special comes with 1 Hoto rotary tool for around $60 and full MSRP is around $100. The 60-piece accessory kit is an add-on right now and going for around $10. Number 5. Millo Air. Can a blender actually be motorless? Well, the Millo Air seems to be. Utilizing a powerful magnetic field generator instead of a motor, it's able to be silent and the only noise you'll hear is your ingredients being crushed. Other wireless blenders fall short when it comes to the power output at usually 10 watts, but the Millo Air has a peak power of 450 watts. And even if that wasn't enough to get the job done, it has specially designed blades from Germany. The base of the Millo Air is surprisingly slim and lightweight, weighing only 20 ounces or 750 grams. It's very easy to take anywhere like the office, gym, or even on an airplane. When using at home, they have a special magnetic hook that works as a convenient storage spot and wireless charger, leaving your counter uncluttered and your blender charged. Millo Air is still in production and stated to be shipped in November of 2023. The early bird special comes with one Millo Air set for the price of $199. Number 6. Outisan E-wagon. This invention sings to those of us who like to get outdoors but are also a bit lazy and like any convenience that can make life easier. Meet the Outisan E-wagon, an electric utility wagon with power assist. Carrying gear can be tiring and a pain, but the E-wagon makes it easier with features like electric power assist, all-terrain wheels, hill descent control, and more. Outisan's Flow Stride technology will give you a boost on any terrain when needed to help you get through any rough spots in your path. With uphill power assist, the motors make a 80-pound load feel as light as under 10 pounds, and when going downhill, you are much safer using downhill assist, which contrary to normal wagons that go faster downhill, the E-wagon keeps the speed at a controlled constant. The E-wagon is all controlled through the handle. When held, you will automatically press a button that activates Flow Stride, and if you need to stop, just take your hand off the handle and the E-wagon will automatically brake. Also, on the handle is a reverse button, nicely placed on the side for your thumb to easily press. The battery that powers this E-wagon is 12.2 inches in length, weighs 4 pounds, and is removable for easy charging. Charge time is stated to be 3 hours for 7 miles of use. Taking the E-wagon with you or storing it is also a breeze, with the metal frame being able to fold up in seconds. There are 2 LED lights, one in the front and one in the back, to help with seeing obstacles in a dimmer setting. The entire E-wagon is waterproof and can be sprayed down with a water hose, and the interior fabric can be taken off for machine washing. If you're using longer garden tools, you can put the tailgate down in the back of the E-wagon to accommodate for the length. They've even thought to put USB and Type-C plugins to charge your devices when out and about. The Outisan E-wagon is still in production and will be shipped out in November of 2023. The early bird special is offering an E-wagon for $449 and comes with one E-wagon and battery. The other offers are more expensive and include accessories like cup holders, extra batteries, and a cover. Number 7. Loomis Firefly. This one is for all you commuters and bike enthusiasts. The Loomis Firefly will upgrade your safety on a bike, adding brake lights, turn signals, magnetic mounting, and synchronized flashing. The Loomis Firefly will make you more predictable to drivers with turn signals that can be controlled through the free app or the Loomis remote. When coming to a stop, all the lights in the back will act as brake lights and will do so in sync to make others more aware. Synchronized flashing will make you more visible on the road and can be extended when riding with a group. One of the best things about the Firefly is you can place them just about anywhere. They all have red, white, and yellow LEDs, so you can place them on front or back. Each Firefly comes with a universal mount that can be used on front handlebars, rear seat posts, scooters, helmets, and more. The Firefly is magnetic, so it can be easily placed on the mount and easily taken off for charging. You can control different light functions through the app for different battery life ranging from 2.5 hours to 35 hours. The Firefly connection is strong when riding and won't easily fall off, even when riding downstairs, and it's rated IPX6 waterproof. The Loomis Firefly is still in production and stated to be shipping out between February and June of 2023. The early bird special comes with one Firefly and universal mount but no charger, about 35% off SMRP at $59. And finally, but not the least, number 8. Yarbo Yard Robot. You've probably heard of a robot vacuum before, a robot that can roam your home's floor and clean up for you. Well, have you heard of a yard care robot? Meet Yarbo, an intelligent autonomous robot that can mow your lawn, blow leaves, and clean away snow. anywhere with a 4G signal and a satellite that Yarbo can cover. In one working plan, Yarbo can handle different areas, meaning you can mow several lawns, blow leaves, or clean snow in different areas. Yarbo has intelligent path planning, meaning it will use the most efficient path even with weird shaped areas. Keeping your lawn healthy, it will not press or pass over the same area when mowing. Once the Yarbo has done its job, or battery is less than 5%, it can locate the wireless docking station by itself, keeping it ready to go 24/7. With the use of computer vision and sensors, Yarbo can detect and avoid obstacles in its path. You can monitor the yard work in real time through the app thanks to the high-resolution camera. Yarbo was made to cover all terrains. The rubber track was purposely made to have enough tread to keep your Yarbo on path when blowing snow on icy ground, but not too much that will harm your grass when mowing. Joined with strong high-torque brushless motors, Yarbo can cross rough terrains and climb a slant of up to 68% easily. Yarbo uses a 36-volt lithium battery that was specifically designed to handle freezing temperatures, as low as -30°C or -22°F in winter, as well as using one main body unit and independent module attachments. The Yarbo is still in production and is slated to be shipped as early as November 2022. The Super Early Bird Special is $2,799, 36% off an MSRP of $4,399, and includes Yarbo body, lawnmower M1 module, battery, and more. That's all for now. Let us know in the comments what invention was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification to be notified when our new videos come out. Bye!